So I tried to get out, but I think Kane's locked the gate. Alright, so today we're at the LA Zoo. Opened in 1912, closed in 1966 when they moved the animals over to the new zoo just a few miles down the road. Let's go. Alright, so here's what is left over. You might recognize this backdrop from the filming of Anchorman. Bunch of graffiti in the top, so we'll definitely explore there. What do you think, Kay?
Good.
Good?
Oh, can I come up here?
We'll come from the top. Let's walk around. So this would have been the monkey enclosure, which has steep stairs that they went up for feeding, and then obviously the attraction will be down in this way here. So here's another enclosure we're going to hop up into. Some famous tagging. Oh, this one's sealed off halfway up. So let's go around. We'll see some more cages before we hit the top. So here we are inside one of the monkey enclosures. Dark, creepy, looks like some blankets, party place, and a Ouija board. Alright. So a couple years ago they used to have a building, tons of graffiti, just like the Nike missile site yesterday. That's been long torn down. But there's a cool structure here. I don't know what was in it, but Kane has her GoPro, so she's filming too. So let's check this out. One of the smallest animal enclosures ever. We'll see if we can get Kay in there. You never know. Kay, you want to go inside? Yeah. All right, Kay, come here. So we're inside one of the enclosures. Who knows? I'll try to find an old photo of what animal used to be in here. Kay bumped her head coming in, so that's how small these living spaces were. The LA Zoo was built, and it was already too small at the time of construction. So luckily the animals moved to the new LA Zoo location, like I said, in 1966. So we're going to check this out. And this looks like it could be another feeding area. So not a lot of space in here at all. Follow me?
I saw anything.
Did you? Come here. Walk past the camera. So here we are inside another one. This gives us a little more room to see how these animals lived. A lot of graffiti.
Can I go get my camera?
Yeah, let's go.
Stay. Stay with me.
Nice.
Wow. Yes, there's other stairs going over there.
So here's a part of the zoo that we've never seen before.
Yeah.
We've never come up this way.
Yeah.
It's a hidden path. Obviously, people know about it because of all the graffiti. But this would have been another attraction, right, Kay?
Yeah.
For the chimney? All right, guys. That's our adventure today at the old abandoned LA Zoo in the heart of Griffith Park.
No. There's still a path over there.
Okay, there's still a path. If we find anything else, we'll add to it. But if you want to get directions here, Google Maps or Waze, do Shane's Inspiration Point or Park. It's a park dedicated to a young boy named Shane who died tragically due to illness at a young age. And if you don't know Griffith Park in Los Angeles area, then ask anybody. All right, till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
And like, subscribe, and share. Guess what?
Guess what, guys?
Guess what, guys?
Bonus
Bonus
feature.
feature.
What? Okay. All right, guess what, guys? Bonus feature. Kay was right. There is more. So I hope you enjoyed this at the end. This looks like it might have been for bird cages. Yeah, we'll go in there, Kay.
This could be for bird cages.
Yeah, I got got our own little vlog going on. So we got some bird cages and who knows, mammal cages. I've never walked this part. I've always just gone to the big abandoned zoo attractions, but this is pretty neat. So this is where they would have had probably the prairie dogs, whatever else they had here. Definitely not giraffes. This looks like they would have had some type of tortoise.
I know what this is.
What do you think this is, Kay?
No, Dad, it's waterfall,
So it's some type of water animal, I would say. Potbelly pig? Who knows? That's pretty deep for a pig, but hope you enjoy this bonus footage. Till next time, don't lose the key. So it looks like Kay installed us in. I don't have a key. Skeleton key might do.
Hello,
But,
I'm in too.
I don't think this is not gonna.
I'm in too.